Great vehicle. It's equipped with great features. You'll want to take this vehicle home. Make a great choice today. Visit the dealership today and see this vehicle firsthand, and is priced below $50,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power lift gate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, rain sensing wipers, rear window defroster. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.